Is there a way to hide the websites I visit from my parents on Wi-Fi?
Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to hide the websites you visit from your parents or anyone else who has access to your home Wi-Fi network. Please remember that the purpose of this information is not to encourage unethical behavior but to provide knowledge on maintaining your online privacy. Let's get started.
How does my internet activity get tracked on Wi-Fi?
Firstly, it's important to understand how your internet activity can be tracked. When you connect to Wi-Fi, your device exchanges data with the router, which in turn communicates with the internet. This data includes the websites you visit, among other things. If someone has access to the router's administrative settings, they can potentially see a log of this data. However, the specifics of what can be seen depend on the type of router and its software. In general, your internet activity can be monitored on a Wi-Fi network you're connected to.
How can I hide my browsing data?
So, how can you keep your internet activity private? Use incognito or private browsing mode. Most modern web browsers offer what's called an incognito or private browsing mode. This prevents your browser from storing your search history, cookies, and form data. However, this does not hide your activity from your Wi-Fi network. Use a virtual private network, VPN. A more effective solution is to use a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it much harder for someone else on the network to see what you're doing. By using a VPN, you create a secure, encrypted tunnel between your device and the VPN server. Any data passing through this tunnel is unreadable to anyone who tries to intercept it. This includes the Wi-Fi network owner.
Are there any other solutions?
While a VPN is a very effective solution, it's not the only one. You could also consider using the Tor browser. The Tor browser is a free tool that allows you to browse the internet anonymously. It routes your internet traffic through several servers around the world, making it very difficult to track. Use HTTPS websites when possible. Make sure the websites you visit use HTTPS. This is a secure version of HTTP, the protocol used to send data over the internet. HTTPS encrypts your data, making it harder to intercept. In conclusion, while it is possible for your internet activity to be monitored on a shared Wi-Fi network, there are several ways to protect your privacy. Whether you're using a VPN, the Tor browser, or just visiting HTTPS websites, you can take steps to keep your internet activity private. I hope this video has been helpful and informative. Stay safe online, everyone.